Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to install a auto-clicker for Roblox. First of all, you need to go to Google and search for this keyword auto-clicker, and you need to open the first result, which is OP auto-clicker, and you need to download this auto-clicker for your Windows. Click the download button right here. It will redirect you to this page. You need to wait until the timer is finished. And click the save button right here. It will download the auto-clicker to your PC or laptop. So once the download process will be finished, you need to open the auto-clicker installer. And that's all, guys. We have got an auto-clicker on our device, and now we need to set some settings. Here are some intervals. So how often you want to click your mouse. Here you need to choose the mouse button. You need to click the left button or the right button, or you can also click the middle. So most likely you want to click the left button. Here is click type. You want single click or double click. So for example, let's choose single click. And for example, let's choose 2 seconds, guys. You need to click every 2 seconds on your left mouse button. It will be single click. So now you need to choose the location. So now I'll show you how this works on Roblox. You need to open the Roblox on your device. For example, guys, I will open any game. It doesn't matter. All right, guys, once you will open your game you want to play, you need to choose the location where your mouse, where you want to click with your mouse. So, for example, we set these settings. 2 seconds is the interval between the clicks. We need left mouse single click, and now we need to choose the location. You need to click the peak location right here, and you need to click anywhere on the screen where you want your location to be. For example, you want it to be here, so just click this spot right here, and then you can click the start button or F6 on your keyboard, and auto clicker will start clicking, guys. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.